Welcome to video compression, where video compression is made easy. So I'm going to do a really quick demo and then I'm going to dive into some of the other features. Alright, so first of all, we see this video right here. It is 11.2 megabytes. We're just going to drag it right here into the app. And then from there, we're just going to select small file and then we're just going to hit export. And you can see he's compressing your video right now. And it'll just drop it right here. And now we're at 2.16 megabytes. And this one, as we saw before, was 11.2, and you can see the quality of the video, still excellent quality. Let's go ahead and compare that to the original. Yeah, excellent quality. So that's in a nutshell how fast and easy it is to go ahead and use this app. So now let's dial in and take a look at some of these other settings, right? Because when we do small file, you're gonna get just a little bit of distortion, right? If you hit recommended, it's basically like a lossless thing. And you can see down here, we're still going 65% smaller. Even at high quality, we're dropping it at 27% smaller. And of course, we have the custom mode where you just drag the slider and just get it to where you want. And as you can see, we have two window panes up here, right? So this is the compressed preview, right? So as you can see, as we drop it down, especially if we zoom in a little bit, you can see how the compressed preview gets just a little bit more distorted, right? Because like we are dropping the quality of this video. And then I will say this is an approximate, right? It's not exact, but compress it, watch it if you need to, and then adjust the settings again if you need to. And as you zoom in, this will trim your video up a little bit as well, right? If you scale it up and then we export, it's going to export this scaled in version. So if you did want to scale your video though, you have that option. Just go ahead and restart that. And like in this case, right, I have this tiny black bar above my video. So I just want to scale it up just to 1. And that's really why I added that feature in there, just for like minor video editing. Now, we also have a timeline right here too, right? So sometimes with compressing videos, you might just be like, all right, well, one of the best ways to compress it is like, let's just take out just a few seconds of this video or something, right? So take out a little bit at the start, take out a little bit at the bottom, and then that's gonna reduce it as well, right? And you can see how the estimated file size is getting smaller as we adjust that slider, right? Alright, and then we also have an option for speed here as well, because you know, if you make the video go twice as fast, it's twice as short, right? Now, you can't always do this, but in some cases you might be able to get away, especially if there's no audio, then you can probably get away with speeding up a video just a little bit if you need to. So you have the option there. We got some advanced settings. You can also even add a overlay onto the video if you want. You got a color picker here. You know, when you do an overlay on the video, you're actually reducing some of the colors in the video, right? Which is going to be able to allow you to get some more compression. Now, you might not want to overlay in a video, right? Certain settings, maybe you're adding the video to a website and you're going to put text overlay on it. You were going to put the overlay on it in the code. You might as well put it on the video first and then get the most out of the compression and save some code on your website as well. So you have that option. You got your encoder preset, so more compression. It's just going to make it a little bit longer to export the video, but it'll still go. And of course, if you drop in like a very long video, like this one here is, I think it is 6 gigabytes. It's an hour long. Here, I'll show you right here so you can see. So 6.7 gigabytes, 47 minutes, right? That's going to take a little bit to compress, but it's going to give you a time and stuff. And we set this slider up a little bit higher. So a long video is going to take a minute, but it will compress it and everything. And if you're in a rush, just turn this up and it's going to do it a little bit faster, right? So all right, so that is basically it for video compression. If you have questions, oh, and then also one last feature is that we have a little screenshot tool here too. So if you just want to get a quick screenshot, maybe a screenshot of a specific frame on the video, just click this button and you'll be able to save it, same location as the video, or save it wherever, take a few screenshots if you need to. Alright, so that's it for video compression. I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions or concerns, or if you download this and you're finding it's giving you a bug or something, which it shouldn't, but if it does, please send an email, go to my website, and I will get it fixed for sure. So, alright, thank you so much.